Original, back with another video for y'all, man. Now check this out. We're going over the best CPA offers to promote on Maxbounty. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications for your boy YON WORLD. Now, if you don't know, promoting affiliate products, promoting CPA offers is one of the best ways to earn money online. CPA offers are very simple. All we're doing online is generating leads for different companies and different products, and you get paid out of commission. So on this video, I'm basically just going over product research. Now, on this video, I've researched the most popular niches, and we're going through Maxbounty, which is the #1 affiliate marketing website in the United States. We're going through Maxbounty, and I've already done product research. And in this video, we're going to be going over the most popular niches online to make money. So you can use this information on any affiliate marketing platform, whether it's ClickBank or Maxbounty. There's some others, but those are the most reputable, the most popular ones. But whether it's ClickBank or Maxbounty, you can take this information and use it and apply it. Now, to start this video, I want to go over the top 10 most popular niches online, the best selling niches online that everybody is using. If you want this document, leave a comment. I'll send this document to you for $1. But if you have any questions, you can just leave me a comment. I will reply to you. Now, the best selling niches you can use to promote money online right now, we're going to just go through each one. Now, #1, fitness and weight loss. Now, fitness and weight loss is a proven niche. It sells. Anybody can start promoting fitness and weight loss products and make money. It's so much money in there that everybody can get a slice of the pie. Now, everybody is always obsessed, with losing weight, getting in shape, and always looking for the next, pill, the next exercise program, the next fad to invest in to help, on that journey. And very profitable product to promote when we're talking about CPA offers. Now, next is health. This is, kind of related to fitness and weight loss, but there are different products for health. And this is basically like herbal remedies, supplements, detoxing, healing arts. So many different product types when it comes to health. So it's a difference. Like, they have fitness products, then they have health products. So it's like two different categories when it comes to the CPA marketing world. Now, next niche you can focus on is dating and relationships. Now, it's a lot of dating apps. It's a lot of, different offers on CPA sites that can help people, find love. It's a lot of older people online. You can see a lot of older people online always looking for love. And, it's more apps and things like that promoting. It's a very profitable niche to be in. Now, #4, we got pets. Now, pets, everybody love their pets. We all know everybody love their dogs. So they love their cats, whatever, even exotic animals, so gourmet dog food, pet toys, healthy treats. People love their pets. It's over 180 million dogs and cats in the United States. So, that's a huge market to be in. Next, self-improvement. Now, this is anything self-help related, very profitable, very huge niche online. It's courses, programs, books, video training, coaching. There's all type of things for people to build their self-esteem online. So people always looking to, achieve their goals and overcome adversity, and, they looking for motivation. So we got self-improvement at #5. #6, any investment apps. CPA offers related to the stock market. CPA offers related to Forex, which is currency trading. CPA offers related to Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. People are always interested in investing and looking for ways to, put their money into something so it can make money for them. So investing apps are at #6. Next, we got make money from home opportunities. This is any business opportunities, information products, courses, ebooks, coaching programs. Very profitable niche using affiliate marketing and CPA offers. Now, number 8, we got beauty treatments. Now, beauty treatments are very popular. You know, people are always looking to have better skin, erase wrinkles, look younger, look more attractive. So many different products selling creams and formulas and different products, helping people to look younger. Next, we got gadgets and technology. Now, this smartphones, tablets, computers, MP3 players, you know, any new smart device, any new home, you know, cell phone cases, earphones, you know, any devices that can help people, you know, live a simpler life. You know, they want to be exposed to that, and there's so many different CPA offers with that. So we're gonna be going over some. Next, we got personal finance. This is anything to do with credit scores, mortgage refinancing, debt relief, personal loans. So many different CPA offers that you can get people to sign up, people to submit information for different companies, and you can receive a commission for it. So when we go and we want to look for, you know, these different niches, these 10 most popular niches, we want to use Maxbounty. You can also use ClickBank, but in this video, we're focused on Maxbounty. When you sign up on Maxbounty, you have to go through an interview process. It's very legit. When we going through Maxbounty products, it could be, you know, a little intimidating. So over 21 pages of offers, thousands of different offers, and more specifically, the offers I'm about to show you, these offers do not have a daily cap. So when you running promotions on these offers, if you get 1,000 leads in one day, you will get $1,000 or whatever the commission rate is, you know, per lead. So first, we got the Keto Fit Pro. Now, this is $84 per lead. I'm not gonna go over how to promote each one because of the time, and I only get 15 minutes to screen record this, but you can see already approved for this campaign, has no daily cap, countries allowed is the United States. The majority of the products I'm about to show you, the country will be specifically for the United States, but some campaigns are worldwide. You know, just to see how this product look, you know, it's a great landing page. You can easily promote this, easily get people to sign up and rush the order straight to them. So next, we got the Vibe CBD oil. Now, CBD is blowing up in the medical field with all of the new research coming out, and people are always looking for alternative ways to relieve their pain and stress. And CBD is a booming market. Billions of dollars will be made in CBD in 2020, just to let you know. And you can see already approved, no daily cap, you know. So we get 1,000 leads, and this lead is $90 per lead. So you get 1,000 different leads, and each of these offers is different ways to promote them. So I'll save that for another video, but you can see how the landing page looks on this. Very clean landing page. I went through and I made sure every offer I'm showing you has a clean landing page, and the offer has no daily cap. And you can pause this video and go back and always get the title and an ID number. This is something most YouTubers won't do. But another product, we got the Copper Zen socks. Now, this is for blood circulation. It's an alternative method to, you know, help with pain, just using something tangible like a sock. And a lot of people will be drawn to this. And you can see it's $30, $32 per lead. You approved for the campaign, and no daily cap, and it's a lot of different countries allowed to promote this offer right here. Now, on their website, they actually have a video, so it's a way you can use YouTube ads and Sprizzy to promote, you know, certain CPA offers. And I will make a video specifically targeted on that, but CPA offers that have video creatives, you can run video ads against them and then put your CPA offer, as the clickable link, and you can get so many leads off of doing that. So next, we got Pretty Litter. This is a subscription-based service, $14 per lead, approved, no daily cap, in the United States, and this is a program for cats. Now, very clean website. I love how this website look. Featured on Oprah, ABC, Nat Geo, Modern Cat, so pretty big reputation out here. And it's a subscription-based service. I wonder, do you get reoccurring sales on this? But on a completed sale, you get $14. That's good. This would be very easy to promote. A lot of cats, and people are becoming more automated. They want things to be delivered on time, and if they could have a subscription base where they don't have to think about their cat food, sales will go through the roof. Now, next we got the water mask. This is an econ product. Technology, no cap, no daily cap, approved, $40 per lead. It's approved in worldwide, I believe. It's many different countries. All search is good. Another reason why I picked this product, you could use it on any type of search you want. So when we go to this landing page, it's direct straight to the buy page. And what this is a water mask, so you can see and breathe underwater, and you can also attach a camera to it, for people who are creating content, recording fish and different things under, just the sea life, for people who travel and you in Bora Bora, you in Turk and Caicos, and you want to go underwater and see. And you can promote this definitely with the summer coming up and people being outside, with their families. So next, we got the Green Crest Essential Hemp Cream, $80 per lead, man, no cap, approved, and when we go to this landing page, you can see it's very clean hemp cream, CBD. This is an alternative health method for pain. A lot of people dealing with pain out there, so great product to promote with no cap on Maxbounty. You will instantly be approved for this, $80 per lead. If you're not signed up for Maxbounty, make sure you click the link in the description. Now, this is one of the best work from home business opportunity CPA offers you could promote, get paid working from home, exclusive, US and Canada, traffic allowed, no daily cap, $160 per lead. When we go to this page, very clean. Very clean. All you got to do is, what's your age? What's your gender? What country do you live in? What's your reason looking for this business opportunity? Next step, you get $160. Very easy, man. Very easy to promote this. No keyword restrictions on this either. So that's what's up. Next product we got is the GPS Finder. Now, I really like this product. It's a new technology for people getting into car sharing businesses, and you may be renting out your car on Turo or different ride sharing third-party platforms, and you want something like a GPS Finder, $24 per lead, automatically approved, no cap, no daily cap. You can get 1,000 leads in a day. This one has a YouTube video, so like I said, you could promote this on Sprizzy, and YouTube ads, Google ads, and get money. But real-time tracking, you can track your pets, seniors, children, luggages, vehicles, so many different things you could use this GPS tracker for, and you can promote it using a video creative. So it's your boy YON WORLD. That was my video on best CPA offers. Thank you.